Hey guys, do you want to get TikTok coins for free in 2026? I'm going to show you the method. So this actually works. So you can get like free TikTok coins. It's super cool. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So let me just open up my TikTok app right here, just so you guys can see. So as you can see, guys, I'm low on coins, but when I press this button, I can actually add them. So let's see if it goes up, and then I'm going to show you guys how to download this to your device so we can add unlimited coins to our account. So as you can see, it should go up now. So you can see it says verifying, unlocking. So now it says coins were added. So yes, as you can see, guys, it works. So I'm going to show you how to download this. So let's get straight into the video. All right, so first thing we're going to do is type TikTok, press download. Now before this downloads, it's going to be a verification. So you just have to download like 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% free from official app store. Then you're going to get it for your device. So it's super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later, but that's how to download this TikTok like coin mod. So as you can see, it says missing. So we have all these apps. So you just want to download some of these. So we got like Travel Town, which says reach level 9. It's like a game. So I just press continue. Play this to level 9. So I'm going to see you guys later, but that's how to get it for your device. So yeah, this is super cool, guys. So if you want to get free TikTok coins, just make sure you download at least 2 of the apps. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, this works in all devices, guys, right away. So be sure to try it out for yourself. I'm going to see you guys later. Be subscribed to the channel because this is super wild, you know. Peace out.